Hi YouTube. I'm working on my Infiniti G37 XS Coupe, and what I'm trying to do is replace the spark plugs. So what happened is the spark plug wrench, which is a 9/16 deep dish wrench, got stuck down inside the throat where the spark plug goes, and I couldn't get the socket back out. So, you know, I had it like this, and the spark plug was on here. I pushed it down in the hole. It was a little bit tight, but when I pulled the extension out, everything came out except for the socket. So let me show you what I mean. So here's my throttle body. Pull that out of the way. So we've got, this is the throat where the spark plug is, and she's still down there. I'll pull that out in a second. But what happened was, when I put this down in here, it's a little tight. So let me take that off. So in order to get that down in there, you have to kind of wiggle it down in there, and I got it down in there, but when I pulled it off, the spark plug socket stayed down in there. So you can see she's right down in there, and she's not coming out. So I'll show you what I did. Had to figure out some way to get it out, and what I found was I got one of these things. It's a paint can opener. You can see it's got a hook on the end. Well, that little hook there fits down into the socket, but you still can't pull it up because she'll slip sometimes. So I had to put something against it on this side so that the hook would stay engaged. So I got this little thing. It's almost like a 16 common nail. And what it's going to do is I'm going to stick the hook down into the socket, and then I'm going to lodge the nail on the back side so that the hook stays engaged. So kind of like this. And then with the paint stirrer, it has this handle right there so that you can grab a hold of it. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Actually, let's see if that'll, okay, that'll sit right there. So I'm going to put this down in here first, down into the hole of the socket. Okay. And then I'm going to put the nail or whatever, lodge that thing in there. Oop. And then ta-da, comes right out. So just don't drop your, oh, and I dropped my socket. So that means now I got to go into the car. But whew, and it's like 100 degrees in this garage. But anyway, quick tip: if you ever get your socket stuck in a Infiniti G37 spark plug throat, you can pull that socket out with a paint can opener and a nail. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, bye.